Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the base is off, you will see the internal components. Carefully detach the wiring harness connected to the control panel. This may require a gentle tug, but be cautious not to damage any wires. Now, locate the screws securing the control panel. There are typically 2 screws on either side of the panel. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove these screws. As you do this, remember to keep track of all screws and components. With the screws removed, gently pull the control panel away from the main body of the Thermomix. Take a moment to clean the area around the control panel. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, so a quick clean will help maintain your appliance's performance. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter. Now, take your new control panel and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fitted to avoid any future issues. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new control panel. Make sure the connections are secure and that there are no loose wires. This step is crucial for the proper functioning of your Thermomix. Once everything is connected, replace the base of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reattach the 4 screws at the bottom. Ensure they are tightened properly to maintain the integrity of the appliance. Finally, plug your Thermomix back into the power source and test the new control panel. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the control panel on your Thermomix TM31. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel. Just a simple solution to get your appliance back in working order. Additionally, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for following this tutorial. With these steps, you can keep your Thermomix TM31 in top condition and enjoy cooking with ease. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.